Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and sell your very first NFT on OpenSea.io. So let's go ahead and begin the process. Now, the very first thing is that we have to create a crypto wallet. If you have previously created a crypto wallet, all you have to do is sync it with the OpenSea.io. However, I have not created any wallet at all. So you can say I am newbie. So let's go ahead and begin the process. The very first thing is that you have to open the site called Metamos.io and press enter on the keyboard. Now, the moment you do that, basically you will be in this window. After that one, you have to download the MetaMask extension for your browser. So click MetaMask download now, and then you have to choose your browser. So basically I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can use any browser that you are interested in, and now click get. It's going to add the extension. The size is around 16 megabyte and it's going to take a while to download. So if I exit the full screen, you will see the process of the download. Where was okay, I think it's installing right now. Yeah, here you can see that it is 16.6 megabyte and it is going to take a while to download. So for now I'm going to pause the video. Once it is downloaded, we'll continue. Okay, right now it is adding the extension of MetaMask to the Microsoft Edge, and it is added. Okay, after the extension has been added, in a moment's notice, you will see a new page is going to open, which is basically saying that welcome to the MetaMask window. So here you have to simply click sorry, where is F11? Here you have to click restore it to move to the next step. Here, basically, since we are creating a new wallet, you have to simply create a new wallet. However, if you already have a wallet, you can just simply import the recovery phrase that you already get during the creation. So for now, we'll have to go create a new wallet since we are creating it for the first time. And now it's also saying that remember that MetaMask is going to collect your data. I mean, not every data. Suppose the data like keys, addresses, transaction balance, and their IP, and maybe they are not. Currently they are saying that they do not sell data for profit. They are only collecting data to improve the experience of the MetaMask extension. So for now, you have to simply click I agree and create a password. Remember that if you ever forget your password, you cannot recover it at any case unless you have the recovery phrases that they are going to provide in the next step. And besides, there is not a team that you can contact them to ask for the support. There is only you on, and those recovery codes that you are getting, that is the only thing. So for now, I'm going to use the same old book password, which is pos123 and then shift 1 2 and 3. So basically it is a test, and once you have done that one, simply click create. Okay, here they are explaining how the MetaMask works. The video is not very long, you have to watch it. Still, I'll be explaining it on the next section. So for now, simply click next. So here you can see that they are giving you a secret recovery phrase. If you click on it, they are revealing the secret recovery phrase. And remember that you should not share this recovery phrase with anyone at any cost at all. Since the MetaMask, they do not have any support team for recovering your password. If you forget it in any case, so they are not going to ask for a password. They are not going to ask for anything at all. So remember that you must have them at any cost and do not share it with anyone at any cost. So for now, I'm going to copy that one, and I'm going to open Notepad and I'm going to paste the code here. And after that one, you have to simply click next. And now you have to basically confirm the secret code, you just got it. So let me exit full screen and let's begin the process. The very first thing is inspire, remove, and mom. Inspire, remove, and mom. After that one, that is palace total silly. Palace total and silly. After that one, that is napkin rough void. Napkin rough and void. And finally, there is grow snake tiger. Grow snake and tiger. Okay, now as you can see that everything is okay, we are good to go to the next step. So simply click confirm. And we are done with creating a MetaMask account. Click all done. Boom, everything is done. However, still we need to sync the MetaMask with the OpenSea.io, so that is important. Still you can configure other settings here, and by the way, there's also currently only the Ethereum wallet available. You can add other tokens here, but that's not for this video. So for now, let's go ahead and sync it with the MetaMask, sorry, the OpenSea.io. Now press Ctrl T. Basically, it's going to open a new tab, and now simply type for OpenSea.io. Now press enter and open it. There are a lot of marketplaces for NFTs, but among them, OpenSea is very popular compared to the rest. So for now, we need to sync it. Now click on this wallet section, and after that one, you have to click on MetaMask, the wallet we just created. As I said before, there are other wallets you can connect to them too. Beside Coinbase, beside Wallet Connect, beside Fortmatic, there is Binance, I don't know, there is crypto.com and many other crypto wallets available. You can sync them too. So for now, click on MetaMask. Now it's based on the extension that we got, it's going to connect it. Now click next, and now click connect, and now it is connecting. So we are basically logged in inside the OpenSea. However, we need to add our email, maybe add some other information inside it, and then we are good to go to create our very first NFT. So what happened to it? Now click on this icon and now click on profile. So maybe settings, profile leave. After that one, again, it's going to ask for a sign in. Click sign in, and now we are inside the sign in, sorry, inside the settings of the OpenSea. Now provide a name for your OpenSea account. How about okay, how about shapes? You can also type about your bio. Okay, it's already taken. uh, crazy crazy shapes, can explain about it. And now email address, for now I'm going to use a temporary email address, so simply type temp email on the browser that you are using, doesn't matter. And basically it is available for 1 hour, so click on it to copy, and yeah, here it is. Now paste your email address, and after that one, there are the links to your social account. If you want to link them, go on, it is up to you. And there is your wallet address at the end. Once everything is done, oh, by the way, you can add a banner photo and profile image, it is up to you. So for now, click save, and now open your email. Basically you will receive the email here. Since I'm using a temporary email address, so we need to wait one more second, and we are getting it right now. Okay, why it is not coming? Something must be wrong here. I don't know what. Okay, the email finally came. So click on it and now open the email and confirm your email address. Now everything is confirmed. Your email has been verified. Now back to OpenSea. Okay, now to create your very first NFT, click on create and now upload the image that you want to basically sell. For instance, I just created this simple image with uh, Microsoft Paint, so you can see that this is just a simple image. Just open it, provide a name for it. I'm going to name it uh, King of Chefs. And you can also add an external link if you want. You can also explain about it. There's also the collection category, you can add them. So for now they are not our problem, except we have only one supply. And finally the blockchain should be Polygon. Why? If you choose Ethereum, it is going to choose, basically it's going to conclude a lot of taxes upon you, so that is not a very good idea. And after that one, yeah, click create. I think everything is fine. Yeah, everything is totally fine. Now click create. Okay, now we have just created our very first NFT inside the OpenSea.io. However, we want to sell this NFT. Now click on sell and type the amount. Suppose I want to sell it for 251, which will be around $639. Currently that is the price for the Ethereum. So it is up to you how much the price you want to put it. You can just simply put 0.25, which is 636. So it is up to you. Okay, there is also the duration amount, 1 month, and then there is also, hold on, you can configure the duration for 3 weeks, 1 month, a day. It's up to you. There are also other options. You can reserve it for a specific person to sell, or and there is also the fees. 2.5% they are going to charge after the NFT is sold. Now once everything is done, simply click complete listing, and now we have to unlock the currency. Now click sign in. Okay, now it is going to for some reason, I don't know the reason, but it is going to cause an error here. So all you have to do is just click sign in or refresh your page, and at the end the error is going to sort out. So it is going to take a while. For some reason, I don't know what is the cause of this problem. Okay, the currency was basically unlocked now. Okay, I think the issue is sorted out now. Again, sign in. Let's hope the error should not occur again. The very annoying part is that section. Yeah, your NFT is listed for sale, so everything is good to go. Basically you can see that the price is 0.251, and yeah, everything is good to go. You can share the link with anyone that you want. It is up to you. So basically this is how you can create your very first uh, NFT and then sell it inside OpenSea.io. So I hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe into Guide YouTube channel, visit my website intozoom.com, and let me know if you have any question in the comment section of this video. So have a nice day, goodbye, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.